Peterboro Matboards is excited to introduce a small but impactful launch of new customer-inspired colors for 2022. Featuring 3 new colors, as well as one of our most popular grays now available in 40x60, this compact launch complements both our conservation and white core lines with a splash of color and functionality. Our first feature is Aqua, a beautiful turquoise that has been added to the Peterboro conservation and white core lines in 32x40. This unique color adds a bit of vibrancy to Peterboro's ever-growing color palette. Next up is Orange, another great addition to both the conservation and white core lines in 32x40. As the proudly adopted color of many team mascots, both in the professional and college arenas, the addition of orange covers a broad spectrum of teams worldwide, making orange the perfect color for a wide variety of memorabilia projects. In keeping with the latest trends, we have introduced Cameo White, a soft white to complement a wide variety of popular digital art papers. Available in 32x40, this reference is available in both conservation and white core. Lastly, by popular request, Peterboro is introducing one of our most well-loved grays in 40x60. Pale gray has been a well-loved soft gray by framers around the globe, and as we introduce it in 40x60, framers everywhere can continue to use this popular reference with less restriction on size. For more information or to request your samples, visit our website at peterboromatboards.com.